Contractors know a solid foundation is critical to every successful flooring installation. So, when you need to have a competitive edge, start every job with the CustomTech Advantage. Co-developed with leading contractors, CustomTech is the industry's most advanced flooring preparation system. CustomTech patches deliver exceptional strength and durability under all floor coverings. These calcium aluminate patches anchor the full lineup, including moisture vapor control, primers, and high-flow self-leveling underlayments. CustomTech products help eliminate common installation problems like bond failure, crumbling, mildew, and staining. Whether extra prep is required before leveling or just a skim coat, CustomTech has a professional patching solution. Silk Patching and Finishing Compound. This smooth as silk patch provides a flat and sound finish to a variety of substrates. With its proprietary formula, Silk permits exact water ratios for superior mixing and handling. There's no need to overwater and jeopardize performance strength, so it's ideal for skim coats or patching up to 1 inch deep. Plus, rapid setting silk allows most floor coverings in as little as 30 minutes. TechPatch RP Rapid Setting Ramping Patch. TechPatch RP is a premium quality underlayment with exceptional handling characteristics designed for ramping, patching, or screeding. Apply TechPatch RP from feather edge to 1.5 inches neat under most floor coverings. It's perfect for transitions where surfaces meet, and most flooring can be installed in just 60 to 90 minutes. TechPatch MP Multi-Purpose Skim Coat and Floor Patch. TechPatch MP is a fast-setting compound that provides a smooth finish on interior subfloors. Patch, level, or skim coat concrete and plywood up to 1/2 inch thick per application. Then install coverings in as little as 30 to 90 minutes. Best of all, CustomTech has you and your substrate fully covered. Backed by custom building products, the system is eligible for up to a 25-year warranty. Start your next installation project with the best flooring prep available. Learn more about CustomTech systems at CustomTechFlooring.com or call us at 800-272-8786.